S'il ne se gonfle pas, ou pas assez gonflé, soufflez dans le tube. Une lumière et un sifflet sont destinés à attirer l'attention. Nous disposons également de gilets et berceaux pour les enfants. Votre tablette doit être relevée, vos accoudoirs baissés, votre cache-hublot relevé et votre ceinture attachée. Nous vous souhaitons un agréable vol avec EasyJet.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to add my personal welcome to you on board this EasyJet flight with destination Brussels. With a flight time of approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. My name is Danielle and I'm your cabin manager on today's flight. I would also like to extend a special welcome to our EasyJet Plus card holders. Working alongside myself today, I have a great team, including next to me, Manon. In the middle of the cabin, Jeanette, and at the rear of the aircraft, Sabine. We're here to make sure you have a safe, comfortable and enjoyable flight, so if there's anything you need, don't hesitate to ask. In a few moments we will start our safety demonstration. May I ask for your attention, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask for your attention while we take you through the safety procedures on this aircraft. A safety card is in your seat pocket showing the exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets and brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the front of the cabin. Floor lighting will guide you to an exit. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all cabin baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth. Hold in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist. Click together and pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. We also carry flotation aids for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrest down, window blinds open, and seatbelt fastened. We wish you a pleasant flight with EasyJet.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. Remember that smoking is not permitted at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. In just a few moments we will commence our bistro service for today's flight, offering you hot and cold drinks together with bar snacks and several sandwiches. Full details together with a price list can be found in the bistro and boutique brochure. As you take a look, why not browse our boutique shopping collection, as we'll also be offering you famous names and international brands. Today we have an additional 20% discount on all boutique items. We accept payments in pounds, euros, most major currencies and credit cards. Correct change will be greatly appreciated, and if we can be of any further assistance, then just ask us when we join you in the cabin shortly. Dames en heren, houdt u alstublieft de stoelriem vast indien het stoelriem een signaal aan is. Wij raden u aan om de stoelriem vast te maken als u in de stoel zit. Toiletten bevinden zich aan de voor- en achterzijde van de cabine. Wij herinneren u eraan dat roken ten alle tijden niet is toegestaan. Dit geldt ook voor elektronische sigaretten. Over enkele ogenblikken gaan we van start met onze aanboordservice en we bieden u de kans om aankopen te doen uit onze dagelijkse selectie vers eten. Volledige details kunt u vinden in onze brochure. Wij verkopen combinaties van drankjes en snacks tegen aantrekkelijke prijzen. Neemt u ook meteen een kijkje in onze boutique brochure. Hierin vindt u een groot assortiment aan luxe producten zoals parfums, make-up, gadgets en cadeaus. Vandaag bij tevens een extra korting van 20% op alle boutique items. We accepteren ponden, euro's en de meeste andere valuta, maar ook creditcards. Gepaste betaling wordt zeer gewaardeerd. Mocht u nog verder kunnen assisteren, vraagt u het al gerust wanneer we bij u in de cabine zijn.